Hey everyone, I got a Lutron Maestro switch here that for some reason the light's not turning off. So, right, this is how you fix it. First, you're gonna get a flathead screwdriver and remove the the cover plate. Oopsie. Now, press and hold this, and press and hold this thing in the right until you see one red flash. We'll put it on a low sensitivity. There's one red flash. That's good. Now, second thing we need to do is put this on, depending on how much time you want it. I'm just gonna put it for 1 minute. That's all I really need to stay on. So for that, you can see two flashes. One, two. That's it. You're done. And for if you want it longer, 3 flashes is 5 minutes. 4 flashes is 15 minutes. And 5 flashes is half an hour. So this thing should go back to sensing. This thing should go back to normal. You know, when somebody here, it'll turn on. If nobody here, it'll turn off. I like to have a screw up like that, so I don't know what any dust hiding in there. Anyway, I'm gonna move out of the sensors away, and it should turn off. Hopefully. If not, this is a bad distraction. I think it's gonna see the dog. See if it turns off with the dog down there. Alright, it turned off, so that's how you fix your Lutron Maestro Occupancy light switch. If it doesn't turn on anymore, it doesn't turn off, then that's how you adjust it to make it less sensitive and make the time shorter. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Now look at the dog sleeping over there. Okay, see it.